Hello there, viewers. Welcome back to another new video. Would you like a simple way to cut fat? If so, then let me tell you about the kettlebell swing. Kettlebells, commonly known as guriya in Russia, is one of the most misunderstood tools in the fitness world. A kettlebell is an exercise tool consisting of a cast iron ball and handle. Kettlebells weigh between 1 and 45 kg. Kettlebell swing may be the most effective exercise to shed body fat faster. When combined with good nutrition, the swing may be the king for fat loss for most people. It requires continuous movement, instantaneousness, and total body control when swinging down, making it perfect for metabolic regulation. This exercise creates a strong back and activates metabolism. But to do it correctly, it's important to keep your back flat. Keep your neck and spine in a straight line, and use your knees softly. Be aware that you should focus on the gluteal muscles, not the legs. Every 20 minutes of kettlebell exercise can burn about 400 calories, which is equivalent to running 6 kilometers. Here are 5 of the most important tips to give you a perfect swing. Number 1. Hiking. How to set up your swing problem. Don't just grab a kettlebell, learn to step up and build a powerful swing. Contract your glutes and start with the kettlebell in front of you. Grab it tightly and swing back through your legs as if someone would walk upon the kettlebell to build a powerful swing. Number 2. Austerity. A kettlebell swing is more than just a front squat, crunching your glutes and legs like a bow ready to shoot an arrow. Number 3. Lock. At the top of the kettlebell swing, you're going full hip extension, knees locked, feet planted into the ground, core tight, and glutes squeezed. This lockout is important when the kettlebell reaches the top to produce full explosive force. Number 4. Breathe. When you swing to the max, the results of fat loss are built on how to breathe properly. As you stretch your hips and quickly reach an upright position, lockout, exhale forcefully, as if you were blowing out a candle. As you swing, inhale to fill your belly with air. Learning to breathe during the swing takes a lot of practice. Number 5. Repeat. Must practice. Correct kettlebell swing cannot be fast, must have patience, continuous practice, and improvement. A 2010 American Council on Exercise study found that 20 minutes of kettlebell exercise can help burn an average of 400 calories. Kettlebell swings build a great new habit into your life. Kettlebell swings are a full-body workout. Kettlebell swings will provide your hips, glutes, hamstrings, biceps, triceps, chest, shoulders, core, and back for an amazing full-body workout with a single movement. With the right proper workout structure, this workout keeps your heart rate healthy and strengthens the heart. Swings tone and build muscles. Kettlebell swings naturally build muscle and tone your body. Kettlebell oscillations are a form of resistance training that trains your body to force your muscles to contract violently on external resistance. This allows your body to adapt to stimulate muscle growth, as well as increase your body's maximum strength and power output. Build solid habit easily. Contrary to what the internet may lead you to believe, fitness is not built on a single workout, a single diet, or a quick workout challenge. True fitness is created over time through positive, healthy exercise, movement, recovery, and nutritional habits. Habits and healthy routines are the primary factors for a lifetime of fitness, a body you love to see and a body you love to live in. Shaking 100 kettlebells a day is a great way to create those positive habits because it is universally positive and easy to do. It makes a great gateway to more healthy habits. Here we end up. New athletes should swing 100 kettlebells per day and add a movement to reach a total of 20 minutes of workout. Experienced athletes will benefit the most by adding 100 kettlebell swings at the end of the workout. Will you start doing kettlebell swings tomorrow? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.